Hello, welcome to Rear Facing Toddlers. All infant carrier car seats can be installed on an ISOfix base, but for most of them that ISOfix base is an optional extra that you don't have to use. Most of these car seats can actually be belt fitted, which is handy if you ever need to use the seat in somebody else's car. So in this video I'm going to show you how to belt fit your infant carrier. This is the Britax-Römer Baby-Safe Core, an infant carrier car seat that's suitable from 40 to 83 centimetres, which is birth to roughly 18 months. To install the seat in the car, you place it on the back seat with the backrest at a 45-degree angle. Infant carrier car seats always have a slightly curved base so that you can angle the seat depending on the vehicle seat slope. So in this car it needs to be here. Before you fasten the seatbelt around the car seat, it's always easier to fold the carry handle out of the way, otherwise you can't reach. So you press these buttons and fold this down, and then also fold the hood down. Then pull out the seatbelt and pass the lap belt through the seatbelt guide nearest to the door. Then pass it over the baby's lap. Then pass the belt under that seatbelt guide and plug it into the buckle. And then what I like to do is put my leg in the car's footwell, so that I can push the seat into the car whilst pulling the belt tight to remove all the slack. Once all the slack's out, you take the belt around the back of the car seat. The diagonal belt then passes through the green belt guide on the back of the seat, and you then put your other hand, your left hand, on the edge of the car seat, and with your right hand pull the belt really tight to remove all the slack from all around the seat belt. And the final step to complete the installation is to put the carry handle back in its upright position by pressing the buttons here underneath and making it go all the way up. And now that the car seat is completely installed, this is what it looks like, with the lap belt going over the baby's lap into the buckle. The diagonal belt then wraps around the back of the car seat. If you then open the door on the other side, you will see what the seat belt looks like from this angle. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you soon.